Standard 7th English Medium. We are going with Chapter 2, Fractions and Decimals. In exercise 2.3, we are going to do the question number 4. It says, Saili plants 4 saplings in a row. Sapling means small plants. In her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 upon 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Look here, there is a chance of making mistake here. Look here, suppose this is the first sapling. That is the second sapling, third sapling, and the fourth sapling. And between each, the distance is 3 by 4 meter, 3 by 4 meter, and 3 by 4 meter. We have to find the distance between the first and the last sapling. If you don't draw the figure, then you will understand that there are 4 saplings. So you have to multiply with 4. Because there are 4 saplings and the distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. So we have to multiply with 4. But look here, as we draw the 4 saplings and saw the distance between them, then how many times? 1, 2 and 3 only. Right? The distance between the first and the last sapling is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 by 4 meters. So it is easier when you draw the real thing. So here we saw that when you draw the 4 sapling, then you understand that you don't have to multiply with 4, but you have to multiply with 3 only. So now we know that multiplication of whole number will be only in the numerator. So 3 3s are 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4. Then 4 2s are 8. 1 remaining. So 2 integer 1 upon 4 meter. So here you can see that the distance between the first and the last sapling will be 3 multiplied by 3 by 4 meter. So 3 3s are 9 upon 4. 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 2 integer 1 by 4 meter. So here in this type of sums, you have to be very, very careful. Let's do the 5th sum. What does it say? Sorry, this was the 5th sum. Now we will do the 6th sum. 6th sum says that Lipika reads a book for 1 integer 3 by 4 hours every day. Lipika reads a book for 1 integer 3 upon 4 hours daily. Now, every day or daily, same thing. Then, how many days? She reads the entire book in 6 days. She reads the entire book in 6 days. Then, what we have to find? How many hours in all? How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Were required by her to read book. So now she reads every day one integer 3 by 4 hours, and she takes 6 days to complete the entire book. So here obviously we have to multiply this one integer 3 by 4 by 6 because there are 6 days. So total hours required for her to read book is equal to daily hours multiplied by total days. So she took one integer 3 by 4 hours multiplied by 6 days. So that many hours total will be the required. So now one integer 3 by 4 we have to convert it into improper fraction. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3 7 upon 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 7 multiplied by 6 upon 4. But here we can do the cancellation. 2 2s are 3 2s are. So 7 3s are 21 upon 2. Now we must convert it into mixed fraction. So 2 ones are 2, 0 and 0.5, or you can say 10 integer 1 upon 2 hours. So here you can see that the total required hours is equal to daily hours multiplied by days. So daily one integer 3 by 4 hours multiplied by 6 hours. So 7 by 4 multiplied by 6, and by simplifying we get the answer is 21 by 2 is 10 integer 1 by 2 hours. Question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol? So now it is given that it runs 16 km using 1 liter petrol. It means that if we have 1 liter petrol, then it can go up to 16 km. Then if the petrol is 2 integer 3 by 4 liters, then how much distance? So distance covered is equal to we can write down like that. To cover the distance covered using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters is equal to, we have to multiply them, 16 km multiplied by 2 integer 3 by 4 kilometer or meter, kilometer. So is equal to 16 multiplied by, now we have to convert it, 4 2s are 8, 9 10 11, 11 upon 4 kilometer is equal to 16 multiplied by 11 upon 4 kilometer. 4 4s are 16, means 11 4s are 44 kilometer. So by using that 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol, the distance will be covered is 44 kilometer. Now the question number 8, in which first A, 1, provide the number in the box, number in the box such that 2 by 3 multiply by box is equal to 10 upon 30. Now we know that when we multiply the fractions, numerator will be multiplied to numerator, denominator will be multiplied in the denominator. So here you can see that 2 is here and in the product 10 is there. So what will be there in the numerator? So here we can make a big box so we can write down the answer directly in it also. So 2, how many will be 10? That we have to find. So we multiply 2 5s are 10. So your answer will be 5. 3, how many are 30? Obviously 3 10s are 30. So the box will contain the number 5 upon 10. Similarly in the second one we will see the simplest form. The simplest form of the number obtained in box is equal to blank. So which number we got in the box? 5 upon 10. So 5 upon 10 is equal to 5 into 1 upon 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. So answer is 1 upon 2. Now here same question is given in the B, and that B you can write down same like this. 2 questions are there, and that you can do same way like that. Some extra examples or the sums. Out of 48 students, 11 by 12 part of students passed in English, and 9 upon 16 part of students passed in maths, Find the number of students passed in both subjects. So here there are total 48 students, out of which 11 by 12 part of the students passed in English. So one by one we have to find out the number of students passed in that particular subject. So we can write down here the number of students passed in English is what? 11 by 12 part of students. It means that 11 by 12 of, how many students are there total? 48. And of means multiplication. 11 by 12 multiply by 48. So now you can, before multiplication you can cancel it. 12 ones are 12 fours are, and answer is 11 fours are 44 students. So number of the students passed in English is equal to 44 students. Then the number of students passed in maths, that also we have to find. The number of students passed in maths. So for maths, what did they give? 9 by 16 part is equal to 9 by 16 part of students. It means that 9 by 16 of 48 means 9 upon 16 multiply by 48. Now cancellation, 16 3s are 48. So 27, 9 3s are 27 students. So 44 students passed in English and 27 students passed in mathematics. Then we will do another one. A car runs 15 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 5 integer 1/5 liters of petrol? So now the total distance covered by car using 5 integer 1/5 liters of petrol will be 5 integer 1/5 multiplied by 15, because in 1 liter it takes 15 kilometers. So that many hours, that many kilometers. So 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, 26 upon 5 into 15. Cancellation, 5 3s are 15. So 26 multiplied by 3, 6 3s are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 78 kilometers. So it can cover 78 kilometer distance in the 5 integer 1/5 liters of the petrol. So now, by doing these examples, you will understand more about the multiplication. So now we are going to stop the video now. After the video, it will be followed the PDF file. You have to write down everything in your notebook, and any difficulties then you can write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.